Yo, that's a really sick shirt, bro. Where'd you get that?
Oh, I got that in the description on Cobbler Art's newest video. And you should too, because our merch is out now. Link is in the description, teespring.com, Cobbler Art. Go get your shirt. You can see I have the corner logo and the sick little galaxy background here.
And I got the Chinese doodle with the logo on the back.
But with that being said, go cop the merch. And today's video, we are going to be customizing a speaker. It's gonna be a great video.
Yeah, guys, this is a really good custom, and I think it's gonna be great, so let's get into the video.
Guys, so we are done the background and the cheese drip up here. We got the yellow and the red and white. It looks really good. We're gonna obviously ink it and go over it with a black marker. But we are going to start on the Italian hoagie and the Philly cheesesteak next. Alright guys, we just finished the hoagies. We got an Italian hoagie right there and a Philly cheesesteak right there. This is a Philadelphia kind of a theme design here. It looks really cool. Now let's fill it in with a black marker. Alright guys, we finished outlining in black. Now it is time to go spray the clear coat so that none of this paint comes off.
All right, let's go.
Alright guys, so the clear coat is all dry, time to take off the tape.
And for the last little piece, there we go.
Here is the speaker. That's a pretty That's a pretty sick design if you ask me.
All right,
Definitely dope.
let's get into the showcase.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to go cop the merch. It's out now and it's hot. And if you do cop the merch, we see you copped it, so we might reach out to you to see if you want some customized stuff for a video, because we really want to reach out to our fans like that. Also, like always, make sure to go like, subscribe, and share it with all your friends, and we'll catch you next time on Cobbler Art.